2 by 2 digit multiplication. So this time if we see something 73 multiplied by 24, we can set that out differently. We can do 73 multiplied by 24. Now, when I draw the lines for the equals for this, I'm actually going to leave 2 lines here before I put my equals down the bottom there. Now, the first thing I do, I like to remember it this way, we go up. So we're starting here in the ones and we go up, which is 3 multiplied by 4. 3 4s are 12. So I put my 2 down here, my 2, put my 2 down, and then I put my 1 at the top of the tens column. So that's up. Then I go diagonal. So on my diagonal, I've got 4 multiplied by 7. 4 multiplied by 7. 4 7s are 28. Now I can't forget that little 1 up the top, which makes it 29. So, alright, 29. Then I can put I have to put down my 0 because I'm now working in the tens column. What I do if I'm not using colour pencil is just cross that out once I've used it so I don't get confused. So I've gone up, diagonal, now I'm going to go from the tens column and I'm going to go diagonal, which is 2 multiplied by 3, and that's 6, nice easy one, and up. 2 times 7 is 14. And then I add those numbers. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 4 is 7. Nothing plus 1 is 1. And I should really write answer 1752 and double underline with a ruler. Okay, so that's 2 by 2 digit multiplication. You can also do that this way. You can also use the Italian lattice method as well, which is shown on other examples. Okay, so we've got 73. All I've done is partition the number 73 into 70 plus 3, and then 24. Now my first step, I can do 70 times 20. My base fact in that is actually 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. And then I've got 10 times 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. So 100 times bigger is that way, remember? We're pushing that number over, make it 100 times bigger. I shove it over. I shove it over to here, 140. Then I've got to shove it over again. And I get 1400. There we go. So 100 times bigger. Okay, next one. I'm going to do 3 times 20. My base fact in that is the 3 times 2. 3 2s are 6. 20 is 10 times bigger. So I've got 6, which is 10 times bigger than 6, 60. Now I'm going to do 70 times 4. And 70 times 4, my base fact is 7 4s. 7 4s are 28. Now because it's not 7, it's 70, the answer has to be 10 times bigger. Remember, 10 times bigger doesn't mean add a 0, it means shove it over. And then my decimal stays there and my 0 will appear. Okay, 3 times 4. 3 4s are 12. And then all I need to do is add it up. So 1,460, if I add this line here, 1,460. Then I can do 280 plus 12 is 292. Let's see if we get the same answer. 2, 15, 5, 6, 7. Great, we got the same answer. It's really important to be able to do multiplication 2 different ways so you can check to see whether or not you got the same answer. If you're not getting the same answer, it means you've probably made a mistake somewhere. So with your operations in your class, make sure that you do have a go at doing them 2 ways if you've got time.